Hi, it's Rebecca from crucialvacuum.com, and today we're going to be replacing the pre and post filters with our Crucial Vacuum branded Dyson DC50 pre and post filters, part numbers 965081-01 and 965080-0, made to fit your Dyson DC50 Vacuum. Remember, with crucialvacuum.com, it's always free shipping and it costs so much less. Be sure to unplug your vacuum before replacing any parts. First, we'll replace our pre-filter. To release the canister, press the red button on the top of the handle and press down. Then find the blue tab on the base of the handle and pull up, opening the pre-filter compartment. Simply lift out your filter and dispose. Grab your Crucial Vacuum branded Dyson DC50 pre-filter. Insert your pre-filter with the small end of the cone towards the vacuum and press it snugly into place. Close the handle by clicking into place. Vacuum filters should be changed every 3 to 6 months depending on use. Now we're going to change our post filter. To expose the post filter, turn the purple disc counterclockwise to loosen the cover. To remove the post filter, while pulling towards you, turn counterclockwise. Grab your Crucial Vacuum branded post filter. To replace the filter, align the arrow, press and turn clockwise. Then replace your cover by aligning the bolt with the nut in the cover. Turn clockwise until you start to hear it clicking. Then you know it's locked in place. Replace your canister by aligning the groove with the back of the vacuum and click into place. That's it, you're ready to vacuum. Don't forget to visit us at crucialvacuum.com for all of your replacement vacuum and household parts. Thanks for watching.